Hi all, welcome to the channel. So we're gonna do clear coating on this Axor Apex xBhp special edition helmet. So first we have to remove the visor assembly before applying tapes. It can be done simply by pushing the switches attached and we can keep it aside. And we need some basic tools which includes scissors of any type like this and shaving blades like this and paper tapes or simply painter's tape that can be easily removed without any residues after painting. And next we have to tape unnecessary parts like air vents, logos of the helmet, visor mechanism, visor areas, bottom areas of the helmet, chin visor areas, and with the painter's tape. So on applying the tape, take good care on your helmet. We can simply unavoid any areas like this, and when using scissors too, we can simply scratch your helmet. An advantage of using this paper tape is it can be easily removed after painting our helmet, and it's cheaper too. We'll provide the buying links in the description. Okay. After applying the tape, you can use the blades for precision cutting of applied areas. Remember to use gloves, or if you are not familiar with the blades, and give good care on the helmet too, because as I already said, you may cut down the needed portions of the helmet. So this is the final figure of the helmet after applying the tape on all the unwanted areas. You can see that the helmet is a glossy one, and we're gonna do clear matte coating on this one. So I bought Asian Paints Apcolite model spray paint for this purpose. Hey, you can see my Gixxer standing idle for last 2 days because of the corona lockdown issues. So let's start applying the paint. Before that, if you're allergic to paint or alcohol, so I just simply recommend to use a mask around your nose and wear glasses like sunglasses or plain glasses, and you can use hand gloves too. Paint is a solvent-based product with added fragrance, so some of you may get allergic to this paint. So that's why I said simply use a mask or something. And don't forget to clean the surface of the helmet with a microfiber cloth, because some dust particles may affect the paint quality and finishing of the paint. You have to shake the bottle well before the application and throughout the whole application. It is recommended to spray at a distance of 20 cm in stroking motions to avoid dripping of the paint on the helmet surface. You can apply multiple lighter coats rather than fewer heavy coats to avoid sag and run of the paint, and allow minimum of 4 to 5 minutes of drying period between the coatings. You have to make sure all areas are covered properly and thoroughly. You can touch down the taped areas instead of painted areas to understand the dryness of the applied paint. Normally it may take 10 to 15 minutes to dry according to your weather conditions in your area. After proper drying of the first coating, you can do the second and third coatings as per your requirement. So this is the dried clear matte painted look of the helmet. You can now see the matte finished areas clearly. So this is it guys. Comment down your opinions, doubts and suggestions below, and thank you for watching.